Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another job lead video. I will try to keep this one very quick, sweet, and to the point. I know most people are looking for non-phone work. If you have any suggestions or things that you are looking for, you can always leave them in the comments. I am always reading the comments, and when I am searching for job leads, I take them into consideration so that I can try to find something that is a good fit for you. This video is going up way earlier than I normally post my job leads during the day. I was just sitting here. It is about 6:30, 6:40 a.m. my time. I live in the Eastern time zone. I was just sitting here cruising, searching for job leads while I drank my coffee, and I come across this one and I was so excited that I just wanted to jump on here and share. So 1-800-CONTACTS. If you go to their website to order contacts, you'll notice in this bottom corner there is this little live chat button, and I can click on it and it opens up a chat box and I can chat with someone about ordering my contacts. So we have today, 1-800-CONTACTS is actually hiring people to work that live chat box. They are hiring chat associates to immediately work from home, and it starts on May 16th. So you have a few weeks to get your resumes in and get through the interview process and get started. So if this is something that you would like to do, I suggest that you apply ASAP before this fills up. So at 1-800-CONTACTS, they make ordering and obtaining contact lenses simple and exceptional. All of the companies that talk the talk about putting the customer first, it says they are actually one of the few ones that walk the walk and put the customer first. So, of course, the start date is May 16th, and you will have paid training. Training is 3 weeks, and it's Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. The 4th week will start your regular schedule. It says training and post-training will work virtual and be performed remotely. So training is remote, work is remote. This is a full-time position, and it says starting base pay is $15 per hour, and that says starting, so I don't know if it goes up from there. The regular 4th week regular schedule, they're looking for people to work shifts between 11 a.m. and 11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Now, I doubt you'll be working a full 12-hour shift, but that's the times they want to staff people, and it says you will be required to work a Saturday or Sunday shift each week. So you'll either be working Saturday 1 week or Sunday 1 week. You won't have to work the entire weekend. So what you'll be doing in this job is answering 2 incoming chats using LiveEngage or the Live Person platform. You'll be replying to incoming emails from customers. You'll consult customers on the best value of their contact lens purchase. You'll provide top-notch customer service in a fast-paced environment. You'll deliver solutions to customers in a way that creates a positive experience. You'll maintain high performance metrics and be able to problem solve and keep the customer moving quickly through their orders. So this is no phones. It's all through that little chat box. It does require a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is required. It requires great typing skills, at least 35 words per minute. It says you need a hustle work ethic. You need to be a self-starter, driven and motivated with the ability to multitask and prioritize. It says that you need to be able to think on the fly and have previous customer service experience is a plus, but not required. You know how to have fun and work hard. Now, a few of the perks that they offer free eye exams for your entire family, deep discounts on lenses, glasses, and other services. Of course, they have healthcare coverage and 401k plans, and it says exposure and training to other roles in the company. So it looks like there is room to start with this company and grow from there. Now, they have a few perks mentioned that was pre-COVID when they were in offices, and it says for many years they provided the following benefits. COVID put a pause on those, and it says just to know you'll join a company who's able to adapt and continue taking care of their associates. So you may want to read over these. Right under this is the form to apply. So I just wanted to quickly get this video out because I thought this was an amazing opportunity that might be helpful to someone. Don't forget, the link to apply is in the description box below. If you've made it through this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and make sure you're subscribed because I post fresh job leads daily. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.